Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to Derivative Trading Academy. This is Vaibhav Barge. Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Good morning, all of you. So right now I have webcam issue. So that is the reason I am closing the webcam. Yes, audible. So all of you, welcome. Welcome to Derivative Trading Academy. So today we will discuss about market outlook in upcoming week or upcoming month. What will be the trend of the market? That is what we are going to discuss today. So are you all ready? Can we start the session? Yes, good morning all of you. So let's start the session. So those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Vaibhav Barge. I am working with Derivative Trading Academy as a chief trader, as a chief trainer. So I think lots of people knows me, so that's good. So let's start the session. So now tell me what happened on Friday. Let's have a look on Friday Nifty chart. So this is weekly chart. So what happened on Friday? Fall. Is it big fall? Is this fall is big? Nifty fall from 17,400 level to 17,000. So almost 500 point fall. Is it huge fall? So 500 point. So now tell me, can we expect more fall in Nifty? Can we expect more fall in Nifty? Please reply. So that's what we will analyze today. Okay, that's what we will analyze today. Okay, so if you search on Google bloodbath on Friday, so that's what happened on Friday. Sensex falls by 1,170 points. So is it massive fall? Is this fall is massive? Can we say bloodbath happened on Friday? Can we say that bloodbath happened on Friday? Yes. Okay. So today we will analyze the market outlook. Okay. So last time, when was the last time fall happened in Nifty? What was the date? What was the month? At which month we got fall? Tell me the month. March 2020. Fall started in March 2020. What was the reason? What was the reason for that fall? Coronavirus, correct. So at that time, we have only few cases and fall started. So now, how much fall is this? If you analyze this fall, 36% fall in just 10 weeks. So if you cross check it, so 3.6% fall per week. Is that clear? Is that clear? Please reply, everyone reply. I want reply from all of you. Just a minute. Hold on, I can see some noise. Just a minute. Okay, perfect. So 3.6% fall per week. And at that time, what was the movement in India VIX? Any idea? Any idea how much movement in India VIX? So India VIX increased from 20 to 80 in just 10 week. So how much in percentage? From 20 to 80. So isn't it massive increase in India VIX, that is India volatility VIX, right? So now last week, so from last 5 weeks, Nifty is falling. But is there any huge increment in India VIX? Can you see here? Is there any huge increment in India VIX? So India VIX increased by 400%. That is correct. But what about now, current situation? And if you check properly, fall is just 2.8% per week. So compared to last, this time can I say fall is little slower? Yes or no? Compared to last fall, this time fall is little bit less. Now can we expect bottom here? Please reply. Can we expect bottom here? Or can we see more further fall? So let's find out. Let's find out. So why market is so weak? What is the reason? Can you see here? In Europe, COVID-19 Europe, Germany raised to 1 lakh deaths. Is it good news or bad news? So date November 26, that is yesterday, 10:35, or you can say 11. So is it good news or bad news? So can we say that fall will continue? Look at the SGX Nifty. So right now, US market down, Europe market down, and look at this SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty 161 point down. So can we expect gap down opening on Monday? That is 30th November. We will expect 150 point gap down opening. So can I say bottom is still not there? Yes or no? We are still waiting for the bottom. So now question is, do you need to find out the bottom or do you need to trade with the trend? That is the important question. क्या आपको बॉटम को फाइंड आउट करना है या जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है उसके अंदर प्रॉफिट कमाना है. Trade with a trend. So recently we have shorted Nifty 2 times and all our students made good amount of profit. So we have shorted Nifty. So you will get the videos for that as well because we have recorded that as well. So I will share the link for that video. How we got bearish analysis in live market. So link I will share after this session. Okay. So most of our students shorted the Nifty. Can you see here? Intraday, Nifty sell at this level, apply this strategy. Now, while selling the future, risk is limited or unlimited. आप जब भी फ्यूचर सेल करते हो तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रिस्क. Let's not talk about profit. First, let's talk about risk. What is the risk? Risk is unlimited. Correct. Risk is unlimited. So can we go with unlimited risk? Remember, smart trader always work with strategy. So that is the reason we always apply this strategy. So shorted Nifty. So some student made 5% on capital. Some student book 50% profit on their capital. Clear? So now one thing you have to analyze in your trading life as a trader, it does not matter if the market rallies or break down as long as we can identify the trend and most important plan a trade and trade the plan. Is that clear? So that's what you will learn at Derivative Trading Academy. So understood what will happen on Monday. So we will see further 300 to 400 point fall. Is that clear? In upcoming week. So now tell me, this is Nifty weekly chart. What type of pattern form here? I will remove all the drawings and tell me what type of pattern form here. So high number 1, high number 2, low number 1, low number 2, uptrend or downtrend, uptrend or downtrend, lower high, lower low, clear indicate that market trend is downtrend, clear indicate that market trend is downtrend. Look at this RSI, RSI relative strength index, uptrend or downtrend. So RSI below 40, can I say strength is very weak? Yes. So we will expect further fall in Nifty. Okay. So now let's do the market outlook. Tell me which are important sector in the market. So we will find out what will happen in next week. Uptrend, downtrend or sideways. That's what we will find out. So market outlook date 27th November. So this is Nifty weekly chart. So tell me Nifty at what level close? Nifty close at what level? So Nifty close at 17,700, 17,000 level. So let's check important support, important resistance. So those who are derivative student, please reply as per option chain, which are the important support and important resistance as per option chain. Now derivative student can reply. 17,000, okay. 17,000 is what, support or resistance? 17,000 is what, support or resistance? So right now, as per option chain, 17,000 is support. But Monday, what will happen to Nifty? Monday, what will happen to Nifty? Can Nifty break that support easily? Look at this SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty trading at 16,900 level. So Monday, that support will not valid. So which support we have to find out here? So this support is not valid because Monday it will broken. So yes, 17,500 and 16,500. So understood, as per market price, as per option chain, we got two levels, 16,500 support and 17,500 resistance. Clear? So now let's find out as per chart. So as per technical chart, so now I will open daily chart and let's find out. So as per daily chart, 17,300 its resistance and 16,700 level or 800 level support. Is this clear? So as per chart, we got two level, 17,300. I will highlight with arrow. So 17,300 and 16,800 or 765 the support level. Okay. So now tell me, daily trend is up or down? Daily trend is up or down? Nifty, this is daily chart. Daily trend, again same pattern, lower high, lower low, so downtrend. Weekly chart pattern. So you have to go with higher time frame to lower time frame, not lower to higher. Always follow the higher time frame first, then follow the lower time frame. So weekly chart also downtrend, daily chart also downtrend, hourly chart also downtrend. Clear? Is this part clear? So down. So now Monday, when will you short the Nifty? At what level you will short Nifty? Let's say Monday market is opening gap down and you don't know when to enter in the market. So below 16,765 close, plan protective call. Is that clear? Plan protective call or any other bearish strategy. Guru Prasad ji, after opening, if it is falling below this level, then only you have to plan the trade. Okay, Guru Prasad ji. Fine. So understood Nifty analysis, because as per option chain, 16,500 is support. So higher chance we can see the 16,500 level as well. Now These cases happening only in Europe. What about India? Do we have this kind of number in India? Please reply. क्या इंडिया में ये नंबर है 1 लाख 2 लाख? But let's say hopefully it will not start. But let's say if India also corona cases increasing, again you will see huge fall. So right now we don't have any high deaths, so we can expect reverse as well. So at what level market can reverse? Because this is falling because of global crisis, not because of Indian market. So let's say market is reversing. Can we plan bullish trade as well? Can we plan 2000 risk trade? Can we plan? So yes, bull call spread risk is 2000. You can go above 17,000. But right now, I don't think so. We will get any reversal here. Right now, you will see further fall. So protective put or bear call spread, bear put spread. Let's check Bank Nifty. Okay, let's check first PCR as well. So derivative student, please reply. November weekly PCR decreased to 0.43 and December monthly PCR is 1.3. So what is the sentiment of market? Weekly PCR is below 0.7, bullish or bearish? Weekly PCR, so that is from 2nd December. So this is 2nd December expiry. So here call writer more than put writer. Call writer more than put writer. So bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment? Weekly PCR, that is 2nd December expiry PCR. Call writer 11 lakh 71,000. Put writer 6 lakh 18,000. Bullish or bearish? Can I say strong bearish because call writer more 50% more than put writer? So yes, as per PCR, sentiment is bearish. Now let's check monthly PCR. So that is 30th December. So here 30th December, call writer 4,74,000 and put writer 6,35,000. So can I say writer thinking that a monthly writer thinking that in December month Nifty is going to be bullish as per this data. So weekly PCR is down, monthly PCR is up. So yes, next week we can see some downtrend, but yes, after next week we can see some reversal. So because monthly PCR is still bullish, so you have to find out PCR as well. So monthly PCR is bullish. So understood Nifty analysis, Nifty outlook clear. Nifty outlook clear. Now let's check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is trading at support level, yes or no? Again, Bank Nifty same pattern, lower high, lower low. Bank Nifty same pattern, lower high, lower low. So as per option chain, Bank Nifty, what is the support and what is the resistance? Now derivative student can reply. So this is Bank Nifty 2nd December expiry. So as per 2nd December expiry, what is support and resistance? So as per this option chain, 37,000 is resistance and 36,000 is support, right? 36,000 is support and 37,000 is resistance. So let's check in Bank Nifty. So now tell me, 36,000, is this support, yes or no? 36,000, is it support? So option chain gives you proper level of support and resistance. So Monday, support broken. What is our action? Monday, support is breaking down. So what is our action? Bearish trade. Bearish trade. So any trade we can plan in this Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is much weaker than Nifty. So any trade we can plan. So this is our option tracker software where you can create any kind of strategy. Guru Prasad ji, you are right. Bear put spread. Any other bearish strategy? Rajan Kumar ji, you also right. Any other strategy? A bear put spread, Prem Kumar, you are right. But any other rather than bear put spread? Mahesh sir, you are right. It's fine. Closer, you have selected closer, support resistance, it's fine. Strip, okay. Any more bearish strategy? Strip also right answer. So as a intraday, which strategy we have to plan? Covered call. Covered call is wrong, Prem Kumar ji. Covered call is wrong. As a intraday, which strategy we can plan here? Intraday, very good. Devendra Singh, you are right. Protective call. Can we plan intraday strategy, protective call? So option tracker software is opening. So now we will select here Nifty Bank. So from strategy folder, we will select protective call, that is a bearish strategy. December expiry, because intraday we can go with this expiry, and we will select in the money call. Is that clear? We will select in the money call as a intraday. So this is our strategy once we got breakdown. So let's check the payoff chart. So intraday risk is around 8,000 and profit is unlimited. Can we plan this kind of trade? Intraday risk is just rupees 8,000 and reward is unlimited. मार्केट में कुछ भी हो जाए, आपका लॉस होगा 8,000. कितना भी मार्केट करेक्ट हो जाए, आपको 8,000 के ऊपर लॉस होगा ही नहीं. Sell future, buy call. So can we apply this trade as a intraday? So this is what we will do on Monday. So don't worry, we will plan this trade on Monday and you will get update in your Telegram group. So don't worry. So that's it about Bank Nifty. Now let's check the all other sector. So now tell me, is there any sector which is performing positive in this crisis? Any sector performing positive? See, Corona is there. So obviously, which sector will boom? Who will get benefit of coronavirus? Pharma. Let's have a look on the sectorial indices. So indices. So now can you see here? Only one sector is positive. What is the name of that sector? In this crisis, only one sector is positive, that is Nifty Pharma. So can we plan bullish or can we buy stock in pharma? क्या हम फार्मा में स्टॉक खरीद सकते हैं? नो, ओनली फार्मा इज पॉजिटिव एंड हेल्थ केयर. Pharma and healthcare, yes. So look at this pharma sector. Cipla 7% up. Cipla. Alkem 6% up. Pfizer 5% up. Dr. Reddy 3.4% up. So yes, we will plan. We can plan bullish strategy in pharma sector. So let's have a look of pharma sector chart as well. So this is, yes. So this is pharma weekly chart. So now tell me, in this chart, what type of pattern form in this chart? So market is going up, trading in a smaller range and trying to bounce back from support. Cadila vaccine out. Yes, we can plan in Cadila as well. Yes. But before buying Cadila, do we need to check pharma stock? Yes or no? Please reply. Before buying pharma stock, Cadila stock. So can we expect bounce here in this sector? Can we accept bounce here? Yes. So Monday morning, if pharma crossing 14,000 level, Monday morning, pharma crossing 14,000 level, we can buy stock in pharma. So this is weekly chart. Now let's check the daily chart. Let me delete. Now higher to lower time frame. So can you see here daily time frame also bounce back is there. Then check hourly time frame. So hourly time frame also bounce back there. So clear. So hourly time frame, look at this trend, clean and clear breakout here, downtrend breakout in hourly time frame. So yes, pharma sector is good. So number one choice is pharma for bullish stock. Now let's check other sector. So this is Nifty small cap. So small cap, what happened in small cap? Can anyone tell me? Small cap stock में क्या हो रहा है? स्मॉल कैप करंटली ट्रेडिंग एट सपोर्ट लेवल. तो इसके अंदर क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ दिस कैंडल? ये जो कैंडल बना है वीकली चार्ट में, ये कौन सा कैंडल है? इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ हैमर. So hammer is, can I say reversal? Hammer is reversal indication, yes or no? So small cap as compared to all other sector, so I feel that small cap is little bit good. Strength is there in this small cap, yes or no? Strength is there in this small cap. So if you want to buy above 11,000. Otherwise, sell below 10,500. Clear? So Monday morning, we can trade pharma, but above 14,000, and you can trade in small cap stock. So small cap stock, whichever in the pharma, you can go with bullish trade. So clear. So I hope everyone got this PDF file, yes or no? Those who are derivative trading student, have you got this PDF file? Please reply. Have you got this PDF file? Yes, please check your Telegram. File is already shared. Weekly sector analysis 27th November. So file is already shared on this on your group. Fine. Ayushi ji, please check your group. It is already shared. If not, then please message me. I will share. So now tell me, how was today's session? So those who are willing to join Derivative Trading Academy, please contact us. So this is our website. You can contact our team or you can contact on this number. So this is our number. So you can contact this number. Yes, it is not shared. Chandrakant ji, don't worry. Please message me. I will share. Don't worry. Fine. So those who are willing to join Derivative Trading Academy, you will learn from myself. You will learn from Kunal sir, Khiladi number one show winner, 3 times winner in a row. Then you will learn technical analysis from Krutika ma'am and the one of the best trader across the India, Chandan Taparia sir. So you will learn from 5 faculty. Okay, so please book your seat today only. So any more question about this session? Any more question about this session? Please reply in the chat box. How was today's session? Sir, you are always rocking in analysis. Thank you very much, Rajan ji. Which ETF is good for long term? Devendra sir ji, please message me. I will share the ETF. So right now, time is not good to invest in ETF. Let the market settle. Then you will and you can enter in the ETF. Okay, Devendra ji. I will share one of the best ETF. But right now, time is not good to buy the ETF. Where we can contact, you can contact, let me share the number. So let me share our team number, just a minute. So I will share the number, just a minute. I will share all the number. And thank you very much for your response, because your response was very important for me, because this is our first episode. And if you provide same way response, I will conduct every week market outlook session. How about that? I want reply from all of you. Every week 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. I will conduct the market outlook. I will invite Kunal sir, I will invite Chandan sir, I will invite Ashwin and Krutika ma'am. How about that? So this is our counselor number. So those who are willing to join us, please contact our counselor. They will guide you. Okay. So please share our channel with your friends. Share, subscribe, and give. If you like, hit the like button. So I will conduct every week live market analysis. Is that clear? Every week I will conduct live market analysis. Fine. So right now 47s are watching. So that is very good, because this was the first session in live market. So next week I want 200 plus. So 200 plus, then I will conduct again and again. Okay, now I have selected one stock for all of you for short term investment. But right now market is bullish or bearish? Right now market is bullish or bearish? So once market recover, this is the best stock. So derivative trading student, tell me what type of pattern form here. Derivative trading academy student, you can reply. ये कौन सा पैटर्न है? Look at this is Z Entertainment. Zeal. No, it is not flat pattern. कुणाल सर taught you this pattern, yes or no? Remember, कुणाल सर ने आपको ये सिखाया है. So take a screenshot and save it. Take a screenshot, save it. I will show you the pattern. So pattern name is, so this is rectangle pattern. Is it look like rectangle pattern? Is this pattern look like rectangle pattern? Rajan Kumar ji, you are right. Is this pattern look like rectangle pattern? Look at this pattern. So now market is weak. So that's why I haven't provided this trade. But let's say market is recovering. Zeal is our first choice. Fine. Zeal is our first choice. Because media also doing well. Media is not so weak as per market. So fine. So actually session was for 30 minutes, but we have done for 1 hour because of your response. So I want same response from you. So please share our YouTube channel with all of your friend. Fine. Okay. So again, thank you very much all of you. So those who are willing to join our DTA, you can straight away contact our education counselor. So these all are our education counselor number. You can contact them. They will guide you for further process. Fine. So thank you very much all of you. I am ending the session and see you in next week. So market outlook episode number 2 that will be on 4th November Saturday. Time will be shared with all of you. Don't worry. You will get all the update. So every week we will do the market outlook, market performance. So done for the day. Happy weekend to all of you and happy trading to all of you. Trade with this strategy. Don't buy naked call or naked put. Always work with option strategy. Learn, protect your capital. Capital protection is most important. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.